Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to teach you the variables in Python. So I have already written a full blog post on the variables in Python and the blog post will be in the description box below. Do check it out. So let's see the definition of the variables. A Python variable is a reserved memory location to store values, and I will show you how does the variables work, and let's see an example in variables. So firstly I'm just entering username. So username is equal to, so over here the username is the variable, and inside this I'm just entering input and asking the user what is your name, and I'm just going to print the username. Or you can just do like this way. So I'm just entering print input, and inside this I'm just entering what is your name. And let's close the parenthesis. So the difference between the single code and using a variable is, if you use a variable even after a long day of coding, even after 6 months of coding, if you come back and see that code, you can understand, oh, I have entered a username over here, so this value is the username. You will understand. But if you write a code like this one, you will not understand what is this exactly. So let me print, and it asks for the username. So in this place I'm going to enter my domain name, techirect.com. I know it is not a username. Let's enter correctly. And it also asks techirect.com. So it has displayed the same results, but the variables will be useful when you're coding for long days, and even after 6 months of coding, if you come back, you could say that the username, okay, this is a username value. And if I debug now, so let me comment out this line, and let's see debugging. So once I started to debug, it has selected the whole line, and let's move on. Firstly, it has selected the input, and it has selected in between the parentheses the string value. So it takes the what is your name and input, and now it displays what is your name in the shell, that is in the result area. And if I enter like techirect.com again, so now once I enter techirect.com, the username is equal to now techirect.com, the value we enter in the result. So now if I do, the username will be printed, and it will be something like techirect.com, as you could see. So that's it. So this is how the variables work. So if you have any doubts related to the variables, just come over here to the blog post, and if you have any doubts also, just comment down below. I will help you out. See you next video, guys.